Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to show you how easy it is to get started with your new laser cutter. I am using the LOKLiK iEngrave, and I'll be using their Idea Studio to show you how to engrave on a leather journal. Let's jump right in. All right, let's start in the LOKLiK Studio. Now, I am pretty much on the home page, and what I want to do is move over here to my device, and my device today, we are going to be using the LOKLiK iEngrave. And so our palette here, our canvas here changes. And the next thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and upload the design for our leather journal. I couldn't remember what it was. And guys, all of the products that I am using today will be linked in my Amazon store, so you can go and check those things out for yourself. Now, when the design comes in, it does come in a little bit bigger than we need. The binder, or rather journal, that I am using today is 5.75, and the height is going to be 8.38. And I'm going to enter, and it did not like that. 5.75, enter. All right, there we go. And we're going to lock that in. And so this is a very straightforward design. I got all of the elements from Canva, and I went on ahead and brought this in as a transparent pink. And so all we have here is a flower. The text is called Futuristic Stylish. And then I just wanted a little bit of a border over here. So I just added a few, I guess, elements that I like, roses and butterflies. Now we are gonna go ahead and head over to Make. And if you turn your device off, or if you have not connected the iEngrave before, you're going to get this particular screen. And so what we're going to do is just go ahead and connect the device. This is the one we're picking today. Go ahead and go to next. And my connection is via USB. So I have a USB cable going from the engraver to my computer. And we are just going to hit search. And we are going to connect. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So we complete connection. Now I will tell you, I did do a unboxing of this particular machine, as well as a review. I'll drop those in the link so you can check them out. Now we are doing a flat surface. We are not working with the rotary attachment at the moment. So let's go flat. And we are going to click image here. And the mode is image, and we want to engrave. And so the material we'll be engraving on today is leather. And these are the manufacturer's recommendations for the parameters that we need to burn through the leather. So far, so good with me, but I will tell you, always do a little bit of a test before you go say, oh yeah, I'm gonna make that for you, and you end up burning the book up. So test first so that you'll actually know that you like these particular settings. So let's go ahead and hit next. Okay, so here is where we're going to want to ensure that the laser is placed properly. And here is the blank journal. Now I do have a ruling to ensure that I have set the journal in here straight, because the last thing you'd want to do is for your design to burn on crooked. So let me go ahead and make sure we're all good there. So what I'm going to do now is head back over to our computer so that we can frame it out. The framing is to ensure that we like the placement of where the laser is going to burn our design. All right, I like that one. Third time is the charm. So let's hit done. And we are going to say add to task. And from here, all we're going to do is hit start. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. Okay, that took 27 minutes and 31 seconds to complete. I actually went and started preparing dinner, y'all. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and clear task because we are now done in the system. The laser places itself back in its origin or original position. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay, guys, check her out. Let's see. Hopefully we're not losing any of our details here, but I really do like how this burned. And now I will say, depending on the color, you might get a different result, which is why I say to go ahead and test. So the reason why I put the little border here is because there's a band. If I can find it, here it is. And the band goes right here. Put that in place. I think that is nice. Let's go ahead and grab a pen, see what that looks like in here. I think this one will work. Yeah, I like that, y'all. All right, so tell me what you all think. As I have said before, I did a review and unboxing. Both will be linked in our description there here on YouTube. Also, if you are interested, all of my materials and tools will be in my Amazon store. And then there is the option that we were looking at a little bit earlier. I really like this red, y'all. It is really giving. We could even do something on the back if we wanted to. But guys, this is all I have for you today. I just want to share with you how easy it is to get started laser engraving with the LOKLiK iEngrave. If you have any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found the video helpful, just plain old entertaining, could you give it a like? But guys, as always, stay colorful, stay creative, and always find joy in the little things you do. Until next time, peace.